Hello and welcome to Study Kendra. Today we will talk about class 12th chapter 1, the bricks, beads and bone. Let's start with, what is a civilization? Civilization is a group of people whose way of life, ways of living, ideologies and beliefs are special. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Major civilizations of the world. Before 1920 it was believed that Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamia civilization and Chinese civilization are the oldest civilization in the world, but the Harappan civilization was discovered and then it became one of the oldest civilization in the world. Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. It is the oldest civilization of India. Harappan civilization is sometimes called mature Harappan to distinguish it from the earlier cultures. Discovery of Harappan civilization. The work of the railway line was going on in the year 1856, in Punjab, present-day Pakistan, almost 160 years ago. Excavations were being done at those places and during this time people found some old bricks and remains. At that time these people could not understand its importance and the work of the railway line was continued. In 1861, the Archaeological Department of India was established in Kolkata. The Archaeological Department gives information related to a country's history and investigates it. The first director of it was Alexander Cunningham. Geographical features of Harappan civilization. The area of Harappan civilization was spread approximately 1,299,600 square kilometers. Presently, this civilization was spread from Jammu and Kashmir upwards through India to some parts of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh through Afghanistan and Pakistan. This civilization is also called a triangle-shaped civilization because it was spread in a triangular area. Mesopotamia and Egyptian civilization are contemporary civilizations of Harappan. Means while all these civilizations were at the same time in the world. The period of Harappan civilization is believed to be from 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. Strategies of subsistence in Harappan civilization, agriculture technology. The people of Harappan civilization mainly crop wheat, barley, pulses, millet, white gram, etc. Canals and wells were used for irrigation. The pieces of Harappan get information by torus joints bullock. They assumed that the people of Harappa use bullock for plough the field. Ploughs have also been found in many places, which shows that ploughing was done in the fields for cultivation. In Kalibangan and Rajasthan, there is evidence of a cultivated field, which appears to have grown two different crops simultaneously. For harvesting crops, Harappan people use wood and stone. Animal husbandry. Harappan sites received the bones of such animals like cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo and pigs, which suggests that people raised these animals for their personal use. It is believed that the people of Harappa worshipped nature. Ritual scenes have been found in some pieces. A statue of a woman laden with jewelry has been found which was simply called Devi. Here the funeral was done by burying the person. The structure of the found tombs is different from each other. Many of the tombs have brick masonry while many graves are common. Earthen vessels and jewelry were also buried along with individuals in the tombs as the Harappans probably believed in reincarnation. Copper mirrors, beaded and ornaments have also been found from the tombs. Mohenjodaro, a planed urban center. Mohenjodaro was one of the two main cities of the Harappan civilization, the first of which was Harappa and the second was Mohenjodaro. Features of Mohenjodaro. It was one of the most important cities of the Harappan civilization. It was located in Larkana district of modern-day Pakistan. Its area was about 125 hectares. The towns of Harappa and Mohenjodaro were divided into two parts: citadel for ruling class and lower town for common people. Harappan script was a pictorial script. It had around 375 to 400 signs. It was written from right to left. This script has not been read till date, which is why it is called mystical script. Building construction. Special attention was given to cleanliness in Mohenjodaro. Rooms were built around the courtyard. There was a drain outside the wall of each house. Every house had large courtyards. Every house had a bath made of concrete bricks. The wells were built inside the houses. Drains in every household for water drainage was arranged. This courtyard was used for cooking and other works. The lower rooms had no windows and the doors opened towards the courtyard. The bath drains were attached to the drains outside the streets. Stairs have also been found in many houses, which makes it clear that the houses were also of 2 floors. About 700 different wells were received in Mohenjodaro alone. Drains and lanes were constructed in the planned manner. For the construction of drains was used Inns mortar gypsum. Drains were covered with bricks to prevent garbage. Special arrangements were made for rainwater drainage. The reasons for the end of the civilization range from climatic change, deforestation, excessive floods, the shifting and drying up of rivers and to overuse of the landscape. All these factors may have weakened the civilization, but its ultimate extinction is more likely to have been completed by deliberate and large-scale destruction or by an invasion. Conclusion. 1. The most primitive traces of Indus Valley civilization were discovered along the Indus River after excavations were performed in the primeval cities of Mohenjodaro and Harappa. The conclusion drawn out thereof suggested a highly composite civilization which must have developed around 500 years ago. 2. The most primitive traces of Indus Valley civilization were discovered along the Indus River after excavations were performed in the primeval cities of Mohenjodaro and Harappa. The conclusion drawn out thereof suggested a highly composite civilization which must have developed around 500 years ago. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful and informative, please like, share and hit the subscribe button.